Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Hello, hi, assalamu alaikum viewers. This is House of Fashion signing in once again in front of you with a beautiful and the amazing nail art video, which is a very wonderful diamond D's nails on your screen for the brides. Welcome back to my channel. Um, Hope you all are fit and fine. May Allah bless you always with this prosperity, health and wealth. Viewers, as you can watching on your screen, these are the wonderful diamondy type ideas of nails which is totally going with the occasion of weddings. So viewers, watch my video till end for these wonderful and the amazing ideas of diamondy nails, Swerski nails and the pearl nails for the wedding season or weddings or for the brides. Viewers, as you can see on your screen, each and every nail is going with the shine, ornaments, with the diamonds, Swerskis, prints, press. The colors are nudes and whites. The video is going very interesting for the trend, for the fashion, for the occasions. Each and every nail is presenting in front of you is very nice and amazing effect. And the trend of fashion is going very trendy and fashionable. So watch my video till end. And if you like and any idea from this video, write in comment section. Or if you like my video, so don't forget to press the thumbs up button. Viewers, if you want to see any idea of nail art related to the nails, then write in comment section. Inshallah, we will try to fulfill your demands. Or if you want to see anything else about nail fashion, then write in comment section. Viewers, here I am going to remind you about the subscription of my channel. If you are not subscribed yet my channel, then um, subscribe it first, and don't forget to follow my channel by clicking the bell icon. And also, just because I put new type of fashion and trendy nails, you can get notification, and by watching them you can get benefit for the occasions of your life, for your relations. Viewers, support us on daily basis by sharing my channel with your friends and family and the social media which is used by yourself, and visit my channel for more updated and gritty ideas of about nails and fashion of nails. So stay tuned with us for more interesting ideas. Give us thumbs up button for the video. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz. We will be right back with the new interesting ideas related to the nail art. Allah Hafiz. Take care.